Have you ever opened your phone just to check one notification, only to find yourself still scrolling 30 minutes later? If so, you're not alone. Almost all of us use social media every single day, but what many don't realize is how deeply it affects the way our brains pay attention. This matters because attention isn't just about studying or working. It shapes how we learn, how productive we are, and even how present we can be in our relationships. Today, I want to explain how social media changes the way we focus by rewiring our brain's reward system, training us to multitask, and leaving long-term effects on our attention span. Social media rewires the brain's reward system. Every time we get a like, a comment, or see something new, our brain releases dopamine, the feel-good chemical. Harvard research shows that this process activates the same reward pathways as addictive substances. In other words, our brains start craving that constant stimulation, which makes it harder to be satisfied with slower, more focused activities, like reading a book or studying. But it's not just the dopamine rush. The way we constantly switch between notifications is also reshaping how we focus. Notifications and multitasking reduce focus. Social media apps are designed to interrupt us. Buzzes, dings, and alerts constantly pull our attention away. A Microsoft study found that the average human attention span dropped from 12 seconds in 2000 just to 8 seconds in 2013, shorter than a goldfish. Every time we jump from one app or task to another, our brain takes longer to refocus, making it harder to sustain deep attention. These small changes may not seem like much, but over time they add up and affect how we think on a larger scale. Long-term effects on the attention span. Research shows that heavy social media users often struggle with memory, concentration, or sustained focus. For example, a 2022 study in Nature Communications found that high digital media use was linked to more attention deficit hyperactive symptoms in teenagers. Students themselves report finding it harder to stay focused during lectures while doing assignments, which shows how social media habits are spilling over into our daily lives. We've seen how social media rewires the brain's reward system and how notifications, multitasking train us to lose focus, and how long-term can reduce our ability to concentrate.